Good morning, students. So today we are going to start our next chapter, and the name of the chapter is transfer of heat. Today we are having the very basic terms which we have discussed in the junior classes also. The first we are going to start is the conduction. We know that conduction means passing the current or passing the heat. Conducting means transferring of something. So to understand this term, I have a very good example for you. In that example, what I have taken two containers in which the first container there are some particles and the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. In this container there are again some particles and the temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. As I have given this temperature 10 degrees Celsius, obviously the particles will start vibrating. Particles की vibration तो obvious है because they are gaining the energy as in the form of temperature, but the vibration of the particles will be more in that case in 100 degrees Celsius as compared to 10 degrees Celsius. The reason being is that temperature is more. Due to temperature, vibration is more, and the cause is more kinetic energy which is got by particles from the temperature. But now if I'll combine these two, suppose I'm combining these two containers of 10 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius, what will happen? These particles were already vibrating with more speed as compared to this container, but जब मैंने दोनों को combine किया, as I'm combining both the containers, these particles will start transferring the energy. जो heat है वो transfer होगी इसमें. जब ये वाले particles की heat energy इसमें transfer हो जाएगी, then again they will transfer the heat to the next one. They will again transfer to the neighboring ones. So by this method heat will get transferred from one particle to another. But just see this thing, particles are not moving at all. There is no any kind of motion among the particles. Particles are transferring the heat only. So there is no motion of particle, but heat is getting transferred from one particle to another. As if the temperature is heat is transferring from these molecules to this one, so the temperature of this container's molecule will get decrease. अब इसकी हीट जो यहाँ पे ट्रांसफ़र हो रही है इसकी नेक्स्ट में ट्रांसफ़र हो रही है, तो जितनी एनर्जी से वो पहले वाइब्रेट कर रहे थे इट विल गेट लोअर. वो क्या हो जाएगी, कम हो जाएगी, बिकॉज दे आर ट्रांसफरिंग देयर एनर्जी टू these molecule. So the temperature of this container will get decrease and of this will get increase. Why? Because of the conduction. So this is all about the conduction, in which I can say the reason being for transferring of heat is collision, means through collision, no motion of particle. So by this method heat is transferred in the process of conduction. The next process we are having the convection. What we have in the convection? For convection also I have a very beautiful example for you. What I have taken a candle which is burning. Candle क्या जल रही है, and these are the air particles which I have drawn over here. And when the candle is burning, जब candle burn कर रही है, जो भी air particles इसके ऊपर होंगे वो सारे क्या कर जाएंगे, these particles will get energy. वो particles energy लेंगे and they will move upwards. वो सारे ऊपर की तरफ क्या करेंगे, move करेंगे. This process is called the convection. The difference between conduction and convection is that in conduction particles were not moving, but in convection particles, these air particles will start moving. So in this particles are actually moving because they are gaining energy from this flame. The thing to notice is that जो particles हमारे यहाँ पे होंगे they will not get that amount of energy which the particles which are above this wick are gaining, because यहाँ पे particles जो हैं उनको एक upward energy मिलेगी. Due to that energy they will move in the upward direction. So this is the method of convection in which particles come into motion. The next one we are having is the radiation. transmission of heat. Very simple example we are having. As we know, due to sunlight we all get heat, and suppose a person is standing over here, and due to this sunlight we are getting too many radiations. It is the simple method of transmission of heat, or there are many applications also for the transmission of heat, and this is a simpler example. The definition is that it is a process by which heat is transmitted from one place to another without heating intervening medium. कोई इसमें कोई मीडियम नहीं है जो आगे की तरफ लेके जा रहा है, बट वी आर गेटिंग द हीट एनर्जी बाय द मेथड ऑफ रेडिएशन फ्रॉम द sun. So these were the methods by which heat transfer is possible. The first one we have discussed about the convection, and it is through collision, no motion of particles. The second one we have discussed convection, and which motion of particles is considered. Third one is radiation, and which transmission of heat has taken place. So these are the methods of heat transfer. In the next video we will discuss about the thermal conductivity.